I'm going to show you how to use Airtable in 10 simple steps. Let's go. Think of Airtable as a combination between a spreadsheet and a database. Quick terminology, the base is all of the data in your project, tables are like spreadsheets inside of that base, and views let you view the data inside the table. A row is a record of data, and then you also can add different data types to each row, such as a image or a text. Linking tables makes Airtable really powerful. It allows you to have one source of truth for multiple tables. Views let you look at a subset of the data within a table. Views let you filter the data or look at it in different ways, such as a Kanban board or a calendar. Forms let you collect data from other people and put it directly into your Airtable base. Automations allow you to build logic right into Airtable. Airtable is also very team-friendly, allows you to collaborate very easily. And finally, you can use Airtable as a database for apps like Webflow or Softer to extend it even further. Follow us for more no-code tips and tricks, or go to nocode.mba to check out our full Airtable course and learn how this works in a lot more detail.